Hey there, welcome back to Unwind Vibes, your go-to channel for all things yoga, relaxation and self-care. Today, we're diving deep into the world of restorative yoga, a practice that not only soothes the body, but also calms the mind. If you've ever felt drained, stressed, or struggled with sleep, this video is for you. Let's explore the incredible benefits of restorative yoga and how it can transform your wellness routine. What is restorative yoga? So, what exactly is restorative yoga? Unlike more active forms of yoga, restorative yoga focuses on deep relaxation. In this practice, we hold poses for several minutes, using props like bolsters, blankets, and blocks to fully support the body. This allows the muscles to relax completely, promoting healing and stress relief. It's all about slowing down and finding stillness. The benefits of restorative yoga. First benefit is relieves muscle tension and stress. Let's start with one of the main benefits, relieving muscle tension and stress. When we hold these poses for longer periods, it gives our muscles the time to completely release any built-up tension. This creates a deep sense of relaxation in both the body and mind. After just one session, you'll feel lighter, less stressed, and more at peace. Second benefit is calms the mind and reduces anxiety. Restorative yoga also does wonders for the mind. By focusing on your breath and holding calming poses, your nervous system moves into a state of rest and recovery. This helps reduce anxiety and bring mental clarity. It's like pressing a reset button for your brain, allowing you to let go of the day's worries and find a sense of calm. Third benefit is improves flexibility gently. Another incredible benefit is improving flexibility. Unlike more intense yoga practices that push your body, restorative yoga gently stretches your muscles over time. This allows your body to increase its range of motion without strain or discomfort, making it perfect for beginners or anyone recovering from injury. Fourth benefit is promotes better sleep. One of my favorite benefits of restorative yoga is how it promotes better sleep. By calming the nervous system and releasing tension, your body and mind are prepared for rest. Many people find that practicing restorative yoga before bed helps them fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. Fifth benefit is boosts mental clarity and focus. And here's a bonus benefit, boosting mental clarity and focus. As you let go of stress and tension, you'll notice an increase in focus and mental clarity. This is why many people love doing a short restorative practice before tackling their day or before important meetings. It clears the mind and sharpens focus. How to start your own restorative yoga practice. So now that you know the benefits, how can you start your own restorative yoga practice? It's simple. You only need a quiet space, some comfortable clothing, and basic props like a yoga mat, bolsters, blankets, or even just a few pillows. Let's walk through a short, beginner-friendly routine you can do at home. Child's pose. This pose gently stretches the back and hips while allowing the body to relax. Reclined bound angle pose. A great way to open the hips and chest while calming the mind. Legs up the wall. This simple pose is incredibly effective for relieving tired legs and reducing stress. That's it. Restorative yoga is an easy, accessible way to bring more relaxation, flexibility, and peace into your life, whether you're looking to unwind after a busy day, improve your sleep, or simply find a moment of stillness. This practice is for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Unwind Vibes for more yoga tips and wellness content. Leave a comment below. What's your favorite yoga pose for relaxation?